finish up our lasagna and cover it. It's important to cover the lasagna because it has to steam. In order for the noodles to cook, it has to steam from the inside when it hits the heat of the oven. So you would normally cook a lasagna, cover a lasagna. In this case, it's really extra important because you have the no-boil noodles. Putting the remnants of our sauce on here. Does this look good? It looks good to me. Really delicious. All right. Now in lasagna, you always want to finish with cheese. And this looks like I gauged the quantities perfectly. How do I do that? I just managed to, usually. All right, see? Perfect. Perfect amount of ricotta. And a little bit of mozzarella. This is a cheesy dish for sure. Cut this one up a little bit. And then, like I said, it's important to cover the lasagna with foil. And I have a little trick. I don't want the cheese to stick and get pulled off because then we don't get to eat it, right? So I give my tin foil a spray and cover it. And in this case, cover it firmly. I'm going to pop this in a 350-degree oven for about 40 minutes. And when we come back, we're going to talk about our Caesar salad.